A referral came to us and told us about the day when he was chipping concrete underneath a bridge during a construction project, and unfortunately, he was approximately 12 feet high when he lost his balance and fell to the ground onto a pile of rocks and sustained significant damage to his low back. And the question he had was, since I got injured on the job, is there anything I can do? He'd heard of workers' comp cases, and you can't really go after your employers because of workers' comp. But after investigating the circumstances, we found out that the project was a state-run project and that he was simply a subcontractor working for the state. So we instituted an action against the state, and after an investigation was performed, determined that the scaffold that our client was on wasn't erected in a safe manner. There are laws in New York State that require the general contractor of the job to adequately and safely erect a scaffold and make sure it's safe for the workers that are on it, for the subcontractors that are on it. And in this case, it was determined that there were actually no railings surrounding the scaffold, and as a result, our client lost his balance and fell to the ground. We went to court for approximately a year. These things take time, and the whole time, our client was pretty much without an income. He had no money. It was very frustrating to see him being frustrated through the whole process. His physicality had been what made him who he was. He used his body for his livelihood. He wasn't much of a school person, but he had made a good living as a laborer. It's what he was good at, and that was taken away from him. The most rewarding aspect of this case was to see a client receive a settlement that put him in a position where, although it doesn't make him any better physically, at least the financial strains he was going through were no longer there. Trolman Glaser Lichtman has obtained millions of dollars for many of our construction fall accident clients. We know construction site injury law, and we encourage you to contact us today.